Muthenya wa keri wa gutigithukania ngano na thawani thiini wa mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 na 2024 ndereti ya nyongerera ya magoti ma maguta kuma gicunji kinyanya hari igana nginyagia gicunji gia 16 hari igana ni heirwo uritu munene.
The eyes have it.
Ambunge macungiriirio guikia kura kumenya kana riendekithia riri ni rikuhetuka, no muthia mwena wa thirikari wa hota. Ambunge igana rimwe ria 88 hari 272 aria maikirie kura magitikaniria na mogaruruku maya nao 88 makiregana namo.
The Kenya KWANZA government is proposing an increase in fuel that will amount to almost 13 shillings or even more in fuel. That increases the cost of living.
This is not the right time to increase this tax. So with those remarks, Honorable Chair, my wish is that we retain VAT on fuel at 8% as it is now.
If we have to achieve all the development we need, which is in the Kenya KWANZA manifesto, Madam Chair, we need to have the 16%.
There is a demonstration of the lack of interest in the welfare of the border. If there's a demonstration of the lack of interest in the welfare of the Mamamboga, it is this decision or attempt by the Kenya KWANZA government to increase VAT on fuel, Madam Chair.
VAT rate at 16% in the region where our country is a market leader and the strongest economy in this region. VAT in Kenya, even at 16%, is still the lowest.
Mbere ya kura cikitio ambunge aria maretekaniria na mogaruruku na aria mararegana namo ni mangethanire KIMIARIO omwe akigeria kuonania gitumi kia murugamo wake.
We must remove this VAT on the fuel. Otherwise, I promise you there will be a revolution in this country if this one passes.
I would request the other honorable members that may not agree with the amendment from the chair that they give us other revenue measures.
Kenyans are angry, they don't have money. Madam Chair, I beg my colleagues to be objective leaders and reject this amendment and return it to 8%.
Amwe ya ambunge mwena wa Kenya KWANZA mwena wari na majimbo Kalasinga wa Kabuchai na gathoni wa Mushoba wa Githunguri ni mareganire na nyongerera ya magoti maya itua riao rigithie mugaru na matanya ma thirikari kuri ambunge aria makuruhanagio nayo.
Life is unbearable as we speak to our citizens of this republic. We cannot afford to add more levy on fuel because fuel is a catalyst of everything.
I have to give a warning to this house now. I can't even believe that kneel down. But Kenyans must be given a freedom, and the freedom comes from here.
This 8% that you have been subsidizing by charging VAT on fuel at 8% on for all the other supplies 16%. It means it is taxpayers' money that was paying this 8%. And this is what this proposal is curing.
Ambunge no marathie na mbere na kwaririria icunji itiganite cia mutaratara uyu wa watho uria uri na icunji 84 handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngũnjiri.